What's up, guys? My name is Matt. This is my son Levi.
Hi.
And this is my other son Roman.
Hi.
And welcome to Wrenchin with Dad. We're just kind of starting this channel up to kind of show these guys some life lessons, how to work on things, how to fix things. We have all kinds of different projects planned. Most of them are going to be automotive. Mostly on this. This is going to be Levi's first car, hopefully. So we got a lot of projects planned for it. And that's kind of where we're going to start today. But I'm going to just kind of give you a quick walk around some of the projects that we're going to do. We'll get to this here in a minute. But first, this is my wife's car. We're going to be doing brakes on it here very soon. So we will be posting a video about it. This is my truck, and we'll probably do quite a few different things to this. Eventually do a lift, things like that. I got my van here for another side project that I have. This thing is always, something's always going on with it, so I'm sure there'll be plenty of projects with this. One thing is the door latch needs replaced, so that'll probably be in an upcoming video. And then don't mind the mess, but in the garage here got an 87 Corvette, all kinds of things going on there. And then tucked away back in there is a 75 Chevy Vega. Has no motor or transmission, so that's going to be an awesome project for the kids to kind of learn a lot of things, how to wrench, things like that. We also have a lot of household projects we're going to do. You know, fixing a railing that's going to the basement, maybe some drywall stuff. And this isn't necessarily going to be how-to videos. I mean, more than likely we're going to be doing things the way they shouldn't be done, so don't... It's just, I'm trying to just teach the kids on how to do things. Mainly Levi. Roman will eventually get there. But then we're going to get to this project here. You guys step out of the way here. So here I bought a 2006 Volvo XC70. I got it at an auction for $600. I'll post up the listing here. Overall body, pretty good shape. I'll do a quick walk around here. The only exterior problem is this headlight here. But overall body, pretty good shape. We, you know, like I said, there's quite a few mechanical things that we need to do to this. We need to do rack and pinion replacement, struts, brakes. We'll probably replace the ball joints while we're in there, maybe lower control arm bushings, things like that. The interior is an absolute disaster. Don't mind some of this stuff. Some of this is actually mine, but it is a mess in here. It is dirty, but again, you know, seats are, you know, in good shape, except for the back seat, and I'll show you that here in a second. The back seat is, I'm not even sure what the heck happened to it. It's burned or what. Whoever owned this previously was definitely a heavy smoker. There's a heavy smoke smell in here, and down in here there is a lot of like ashes, and they were using the cup holder as an ashtray. So I'm assuming they ashed back here and caught the seat on fire. At least that's what I'm assuming. So this will eventually get replaced. Hopefully, or I'll just, you know, we'll clean it up the best we can and throw some seat covers on it. Not quite sure yet. Well, that's locked. But we need a new gas cap. You know, quite a bit of cargo space. And then, yeah, this needs replaced. That's broke. It'll eventually need new tires. And let's pop the hood on this thing. It runs good. Another thing that I need to replace is either this antenna ring that senses the the chip in the key fob, or maybe a starter relay or the starter. Sometimes it wants to start, sometimes it doesn't, but it is a 2.5 inline 5-cylinder turbocharged. This thing is also all-wheel drive. So part of the reason I got this is because hopefully it'll be reliable and safe for Levi. And it's, you know, kind of cool looking. It's a wagon. You don't see very many wagons running around. And the color of it is very strange. It's called cream, but every time I look at it, it seems like it's a different color. One day it's silver, one day it's tan. This morning it looked green. So, yeah. But what we're going to do today, we're just going to kind of give it a quick clean. Nothing, no real detail cleaning. We're just, you know, give it a quick wash. We're not even going to use soap. We're just going to wash it down. It's dusty from being at the auction yard. We're going to get some of the garbage out of the seats, or, you know, out of the interior, but we're not going to do deep clean today. We'll do like a detail video some other time. This video is more or less just for an introduction, meet the family, and kind of what the goal is of this channel. So we're gonna, you know, it's kind of a learning thing for all of us. We don't know exactly how we're gonna do things, what format we're gonna do. I have another YouTube channel. I'll actually link it up here. I don't know if I'm gonna go with that format or not. So, and it's, you know, Levi's gonna help me edit the videos, so it's gonna kind of be his thing too. So, and I know I'm doing all the talking and Levi's, you know, here, but he'll warm up to you guys. So yeah, let's we're just gonna kind of do a quick little montage of us just washing down the car and cleaning out the interior. So enjoy. Oh, and make sure you're liking and subscribing, sharing with everyone, comments, you know, like, you know, make a comment that you know, go 49ers, because Levi's rocking a George Kittle. Or is that George Kittle or Vernon Davis? Oh, it's Vernon Davis, but 85. So go Niners. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to washing, guys.